Power and utility companies are under pressure from growing competition, an aging workforce, and expanding regulatory compliance, all while trying to maintain infrastructure and stay prepared for the unexpected. Service Power is a field service management leader with innovative digital solutions designed to meet these challenges. We help organizations manage the repair and maintenance of meters, upgrades to smart meters, and installations and repairs for alternative energy suppliers such as solar panels and electric charging stations, all while offering a seamless consumer experience. Service Power works with industry leaders such as Siemens, Northern Ireland Electric, and British Gas. Maintaining a good brand reputation is important, and solutions that improve customer experiences can help. Service Power's consumer portal enables technician arrival notifications and real-time status updates. When power and utility technicians' schedules aren't efficient, it can cost an organization time, money, and customer satisfaction. Our AI-driven schedule optimization platform provides real-time scheduling and automatically selects the right technician for the job based on skill set, availability, and credentials. Service Power offers the unique capability to manage employed or third-party technicians for at-home services. We have the best solution in the industry to seamlessly manage a blend of both, commonly referred to as the blended workforce. Service Power's dispatch platform enables utility providers to quickly scale and deploy a blended workforce as market demand fluctuates, providing a cost-effective and efficient solution. Ensuring technicians are armed with the information they need while at a job is vital. Service Mobility gives technicians 24/7 access to real-time information and the tools necessary to do their job, even in areas with limited connectivity. We deliver results fast. According to Gartner's Field Service Management Magic Quadrant report, customers scored Service Power's time to achieve an ROI the highest of all vendors. Learn how Service Power helps power and utility organizations improve productivity, reduce costs, increase operational efficiencies, and optimize revenues. Contact us today to get started.